but to my channel or back to if you haven't watched them already. So today's video is going to be all about the Llandysul River Festival and the slalom this weekend as well. Honestly, the river so far is at a really good level. I have not paddled it this high before, but from what I can see, it's quite washed out. So it actually looks, it's kind of like easy when it's higher, which is nice. So hopefully it's going to be a good weekend. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. It is day 1 of the River Festival, Thursday. I'm currently down by the slalom course, just having a look at it and sort of getting an idea of what I'm going to do. I've got like a training session later to like practice it, run it, sort of get my grip with it. It's a fairly nice course. You do need a lot of pre-turn on most of the gates because it's not a difficult course, but because the river's up, you've got to think about where you're pointing, where you are, and where the flow is a lot more than you usually would here. I mean, this is the level it's usually at, but the last like 2 or 3 times I've paddled it this year, it's been really low, so I've got to think about it more now. So let me show you the course, because I think it's nice, but that's just my opinion. Start gate, then we come down to gate 1, to up gate 2, down gate 3, down 4 and 5, which you can't see because it's behind a tree. Cool. There we go. So there's 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 and 9. So with 1, it's pretty simple. 2, again, pretty simple. 3, I just need to make sure I have enough pre. This is when the stagger this big stagger starts. So I need to be pre-turning on 3. The pre-turn to 4, so I'm pre-turning to 5, 6, and then 7. I can just whip round, power back up a little bit, then down from 8 and 9, and then. Hello everybody, I am very quickly going to jump in here and voice over this part just because now that I've paddled it, it's actually slightly different to how I said it in the video, so I'm going to voice over it instead. So 8 and 9, I pretty much exactly what I said in the video is I've just got to stay at a slight angle, a bit more of a slight angle, just because of the way the flow is there. And then with 10, 11 and 12, I've got to stay slightly right of 10 and then push left of 11 and 12 to then get my nose in the edge of 13 and not get flushed. Is 16, having come up from over there, sprint down here to 16 there, then 17 is an up here. So we're going to go up this gate, nice ferry glide, nice breakout line, down into 18, and then slow sprint down into 19, keeping the speed, again to the movement, come out, very good, like breakout over there, kind of like a little curve, down 20. So to be honest, overall it's a nice course. I'm pretty happy with it, which is nice. So the next step really is just to practice it, get it sort of embedded and get it sort of really in my head and sort of practice. Especially that bottom bit, this bottom bit here, you guys can't see it. Oh no, this bottom bit here, I really need to practice because last time we did something similar to this, I think it was in the May one, they did something very similar to this, and I struggled with it, because was it May or? I can't remember, one of the other ones they did it, and yeah, I struggled with it, so it's going to be good to practice it, and sort of really, yeah, it's going to be nice to practice it a bit more, and just really get it in my head and really get it nailed, which would be nice. So yeah, I will see you guys later on today for the training session if I film it, or tomorrow. So yeah, bye. Good morning everybody. It is day 2 of the festival. I didn't really film anything yesterday just because there wasn't a lot to film, but also like with the training I just wanted to focus, and plus there's no really need to film it for me, so that was an issue. Anyway, I'm currently with the dog, just sort of keeping him from wander. But also I thought I'd do brief film yesterday. Yesterday it went really well, training went really well. I had a really good session. I really like the course now that I've sort of learned it and have got my grips with it again, which is nice. So I think it's going to go well. I've got other sessions today to try and just get my ass on track. Yeah. Okay. So I'll see you guys.